Alright, so here's our example. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 322 more than the next integer. What is the largest of the three integers? So when I'm taking a look at this, the one thing I'm going to notice is that I have three integers that I'm playing with. They are consecutive positive integers. So let's say I have x be my first integer. Alright, and y is my second integer. And let's call z my third integer. Alright, so they say that the product of two consecutive positive integers is, so that's going to be my equal sign, 322 more than the next integer. So product means I'm going to be multiplying. Okay. Two consecutive positive integers, so I'm multiplying x and y. So x times y is equals 322 more than, now here I'm not dealing with an inequality, so that means plus the next integer. Well, the next integer I said was z. So I have x times y equals 322 plus z. Now I have three variables, which means that I'm going to need to find a way to express this in one variable. Well, when I'm talking about consecutive integers, these are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? They come one right after the other. So if the first integer is x, then the next integer is going to be x plus 1, because it's the next number. 2 plus 1 is 3. Alright, and that means the third integer is x plus 2. So I'm going to substitute these into my equation and write a new equation. Now I have x times x plus 1 equals 322 plus x plus 2. Now I'm going to distribute. X squared plus x equals 324, because I combined the 322 and 2, plus x. Now I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Oh, and look, they cancel. Pew, pew! That's quite convenient. Now I have that x squared is equal to 324. Now, traditionally, when we've gotten a quadratic equation, we have gotten it equal to 0 and solve for x. But here, what I can actually do is I can take the square root of 324. So the square root of 324 is equal to 18, so well, actually plus or minus 18, but they said consecutive positive integers, so I'm just going to go with a positive 18. So x is 18. Now I'm going to go back and reread the question, make sure that's what they're looking for. It says, what is the largest of these three integers? Well, if x is 18, then y is 19 and z is 20. So they're actually looking for this third integer here, which is 20, so I'm going to circle my solution of 20. Make sure you ask me if you have any questions. You should be able to do similar problems on your practices and exercises now.